Kashmir remains a symbol of failure rather than the strength of the UN system. We feel the resolution on these issues can only be arrived at an environment of cooperation. By normalizing trade relations, we want to create a regional South Asian narrative. This narrative will provide an environment that will mutually benefit the countries of our region.
In the crucial pillars of international legality, the guide for the conduct of member states and the guarantor of the legitimate rights of all nations and peoples. The United Nations must regain its credibility as a central instrument for the promotion of peace, prosperity, and liberty. To that end, it should become more representative, transparent, and accountable. A comprehensive and democratic reform of the Security Council.
I would once again repeat at the cost of repetition that we want to have peace with India, but long-lasting, enduring peace can only be ensured and guaranteed through a just and fair solution of Kashmir, providing rights to the people of Kashmir under UN Charter, according to Security Council resolutions, the right of self-determination, and I will be most forthcoming to sit down then and talk to our Indian counterparts to pave the way forward.
Would lay siege to 8 million people with 900,000 troops. Women, children, sick people, locked in as animals. Of what I know of England, if 8 million animals were locked in, the RSPCA would have made a lot of noise about it. These are human beings. What is going to happen when the curfew is lifted will be a bloodbath. And we will fight. And when you are the one who guaranteed the people of Kashmir the right of self-determination, this is the time to take action. And number one action must be that India must lift this inhuman curfew, which has lasted for 55 days.